This is the Gamma Heatmap. It projects market makers' total gamma exposure and is forward-looking across price levels to anticipate hedging responses. Positive gamma is represented by blue space, which indicates market makers will buy or sell against price movements, keeping volatility low and price action contained. Low or negative gamma areas are indicated by the red space and indicate areas where market makers will buy and sell with price movements, creating larger volatility and wider price movement. At the top right of the screen, you can adjust the gradient or 3D views, change the candle time frame, and look to different times by clicking here throughout the day. Click on the Settings button to change the settings and colors of any of the grids or color spaces. You can also switch to a 3D view, which opens up a 3D visualization of the gamma landscape, allowing you to see the slope of the gamma landscape and the depth of different troughs and gamma peaks. You can click and drag to tilt this view on any axis as you want.